Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are all fine and doing fantastic on this festive season. Before Christmas ikuja, cheni niweke ka video haka ka kuchimba viazi. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back and thank you for always clicking my videos to watch. It means a lot. And kama huja subscribe and are watching this particular video, please consider to subscribe. It also means a lot into this channel of mine. Did I say my name? My name is up there, but for those who love listening than reading, my name is Grace Juguna. So hapa we were back in the village. Tulikuwa tumeenda ushago this is on my side, like home kwetu. So guys, enjoy the video. Na kama huja subscribe, please consider subscribing. And just enjoy it like that. Nilikuwa nimeplan kuiweka voice over the whole of the video because it's not that long, but imekata. Like I've been trying to put voice over for the last 1 week, inakata because my storage is slow and my phone is like it's running slow. Like, you know, when the storage is full, simu inaanza kuhang everything. So I'm trying to get another memory card so that I can niweke hapa, hii ingine nitoe yenye imejaa, nitoe niweke ingine. I don't have to delete videos or my pictures. Those are for showing my kids when the time comes, like when they grow up nikuwe nawaonyesha. So I'll just have to buy another mem card, niweke hapa, nitoe hii. So for now, enjoy the videos and I'm very sorry guys. I'm very sorry.